Alright guys, here we are. We're in Edinburgh, Scotland, and we're about to do some Scottish flying with our little Neo2. Stand by. We are at the Royal Mile. Here we go, guys. It is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful city streets. Let's go up a little bit over these flags. Sure, our antlers are up. We don't have a home point, guys, so we must remember where we're at. Matter of fact, guys, let's bring it back because we don't have a home point, and I sure don't want to lose it. Alright, looks like we got a home point now, but we must reestablish a home point. Alright guys, let's try this again. Let's take off so we can establish a home point here where we're at. There we go. Make sure we go establish a home point out here. Let's go establish a home point. And we got a home point. Alright. Let's go take a look at what we got. Let's take a quick look. A little scary, guys, because we obviously don't know Scotland very well. Come down just so you guys can see these beautiful buildings here. Low battery, so let's change the battery, guys.